Riwruok mar Gavanas dwaro mondo mi ogol oko jagaa bajet ya pisa ne kagikwedo kaka opwodho omenda ne counties. Kokalo jakom margi Ahmed Abdullahi giwacho ni gibiro sundo od bura mamalo kod mar Senate mondo gole apis ni mar enobadho ne chenro mag counties. Gimedo ni oketo apisas mag county owuog kuonde maboyo mondo opwodh negi omenda. Gimiyo siem mondo lok kaka otaya apise mondo oser counties kagimedo ni chenro mag basari pod ochung' ni mar pod apis mar jagaa bajet odino mondo omenda go chwal magitimore kinde ma imanyo yore mag kelo kwe kendo yango chenro makare mag tich e kind apis jagaa bajet kod 10 counties.
Control of budgets for county governments and control of budgets for national government. Why we have to carry invoices and contracts and receipts all the way from Wajir and queue in her office for weeks to access money, I do not understand. And this is hell that every county government has been taken through. We can't pay fees for kids who need to be kept in school because some government bureaucrat somewhere is making life difficult for everybody in the chain. The president of Kenya has pronounced himself on this matter, and we want to send a warning to her that as a council, we are now willing to go legal. We are willing to petition the Houses of Parliament for her removal because she has made life impossible for the average Kenyan to access county.